Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Frontline Care Solutions Understanding and Implementing the ACFI course. ACFI will continue to be changed through federal announcements with further amendments to the funding arrangement. The threat of clawbacks will always be ever present for providers as you continue to meet the regulatory requirement for providing a resource to the clients that live and reside in your residential service. Our seminar will assist all of your stakeholders in your business to safeguard existing allocations, to make sure they can validate resource allocation, as we focus on presenting a seminar that builds a nursing framework focused in best practice for the clinical assessment and the management of people within long-term care. Our ACFI program consists of following the 5 steps of the ACFI process. It'll teach you how to calculate the scores from questions 1 to 12, and specifically provide you with our evidence-based documentation that you may utilise to defend your funding. Through the course, a clinician or a registered nurse will be able to validate the clinical practice by using our ACFI framework. It always instills the leadership and management and the practices of clinical leadership for the validation and implementation of services. We will teach your staff how to optimise best practice to ensure the allocation of managing ACFI is correct. We will show and teach your clinicians the art of using a continuous improvement method through clinical review process and understanding the implementation of a case conference so you can truly validate your resource allocation and get the maximum ACFI funding that is required for delivering a service to the resident within your care. This course will be available as a face-to-face seminar in a 1-day workshop and is also available online as an e-learning module. Hand in hand with our course comes the ability for your staff to pull down from our e-learning portal the documents, the tools and the resources and information that is used in our education platform for understanding and implementing the ACFI. I hope to see you at our seminar. It'll be great to be able to work with you, impart my knowledge on building a nursing framework to validate the resources you allocate in the care plans that you write for patients and retrieving your ACFI funding.